In this video, I'll be showing you how to attach a work order to a CompanyCam project. First, start by clicking into Work Orders and click the plus symbol to create a new work order. Begin filling out the work order as you normally would. Once you've filled out all of the prerequisite fields, you'll come down to where it says Link to CompanyCam Project. This will only be visible if you have already followed our steps to integrate your CompanyCam account with HeyPros. I've already done so. If you'd like to learn how to do so, we have a Help Center article that will walk you through a video demonstrating how to integrate your CompanyCam account. We'll click the little tab here. And if we've already successfully integrated CompanyCam with our HeyPros account, we'll see a drop-down list of the projects that we have in CompanyCam. We can also search for them. Click the project that you want to attach this work order to. It'll show you some additional information that will be displayed. We can add this to our work order details, our public link, and project reference. It'll show you the images attached to that project in CompanyCam. We can click which ones we want to be added to this work order. When we're done, we'll click Continue. We will publish to the contractors we want this work order to be visible to. And now when we click into this work order, we'll see that our imagery from CompanyCam has been fed over, and we'll also see that our links to CompanyCam are included in the work order as well.